you use Xlear every day. Insert nozzle into nostril and depress pump or squeeze the bottle completely while breathing in through your nose. Repeat this process 2 to 4 times per nostril. Clean the nozzle after each use and replace the safety cap. For best results, use at least twice daily, morning and night. Xlear alleviates congestion, relieves sinus pressure. Why Xlear? Affects irritants' ability to adhere to nasal membranes. Natural, fast and effective. Safe for daily use anytime. No rebound, non-addictive. Not a drug, safe for pregnant and nursing mothers. Gentle enough for infants. Wash away dust and pollen. Patented hydrating formula with xylitol. Also recommended for seasonal nasal irritation. Xlear benefits: alleviates congestion, gently cleans, soothes and moisturizes the sinuses and nasal passages, washes away pollutants, irritants and airborne contaminants. Whether you need maximum, moderate or daily care, the Xlear Sinus Care system has the right product for you. Uses: alleviates congestion, gently cleans sinus and nasal passages, washes away pollutants, irritants and other airborne contaminants, helps soothe and moisturize nasal passages due to low humidity, pollutants, overuse of nasal decongestants and other nasal irritants, thins and loosens mucus secretions. Other information, doctor recommended. Safe to use daily. Safe for children. Natural and drug-free. Preparation instructions. The metered nasal pump sprayer provides a precise amount of soothing spray in a fine mist. Clear the nasal passageway by gently blowing your nose before using Xlear. Prior to initial use, remove clear cap, prime the pump by holding it upright and pumping 1 or more times until the solution is dispensed. Insert nozzle into nostril and depress pump completely while breathing in through your nose. Clean nozzle after use and replace safety cap. Spray 2 to 4 times in each nostril. Use at least twice daily, morning and night. Xlear is safe to use as often as needed for optimal health to cleanse sinuses and nasal passages.